What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Mr. Detail Car Review. Today's video could save you thousands of dollars because we're breaking down 5 cars you should absolutely avoid buying. These are vehicles that look great on the lot, drive fine during a test drive, and seem like a good deal. But once you own them? Constant breakdowns, warning lights, and repair bills that never stop. If reliability matters to you even a little bit, stay far away from these cars. Let's get into it. Car number 1, Jeep Renegade. The Jeep Renegade sells the image of toughness and adventure, but ownership tells a very different story. These vehicles are known for electrical issues, engine stalling, and unreliable transmissions. Many owners report sudden loss of power, sensors failing for no reason, and endless trips back to the dealer. It may look cool, but long-term reliability is one of its biggest weaknesses. Car number 2, Ford Fiesta, automatic transmission. This car has earned a reputation for one major reason: the automatic transmission. Shuddering, slipping, hesitation, and complete failure are extremely common, sometimes before 60,000 miles. Many owners needed multiple transmission replacements. Even when repaired, problems often return. Cheap upfront cost, but extremely expensive frustration. Car number 3, BMW 5 Series, older models. Luxury can be tempting, but older BMW 5 Series models come with serious reliability risks. Oil leaks, cooling system failures, failing sensors, and electronic glitches are very common. Repairs are expensive, parts aren't cheap, and labor costs add up fast. Skip maintenance even once, and the problems multiply quickly. Car number 4, Land Rover Range Rover. This is one of the most beautiful SUVs on the road, and one of the least reliable. Air suspension failures, electrical faults, engine problems, and software issues are widely reported. Repair costs are massive, and many owners say the vehicle spends more time in the shop than on the road. Luxury feel, nightmare ownership. Car number 5, Nissan Altima, CVT models. The CVT transmission used in many Nissan Altimas is notorious for failure. Common issues include jerking, overheating, whining noises, and sudden loss of acceleration. Once problems start, repairs can cost more than the car is worth. It may feel smooth at first, but reliability is a serious concern long-term. Remember this rule: a low price doesn't mean low ownership cost. If this video helped you avoid a bad purchase, smash that like button. Subscribe to Mr. Detail Car Review and drop a comment. Which car shocked you the most? Stay smart, stay detailed, and I'll see you in the next one.